to Comino Island today, which is between Gozo and Malta, and that's where the Blue Lagoon is. And I've been awake for 4 hours already, so I could have already been there ages ago after a good 4 hour sleep, which is classic on this trip.
While I make breakfast, I'm going to very quickly tell you some of your options for visiting Comino and the Blue Lagoon. So you can easily visit from either Malta or Gozo with the option of taking a tour boat or a direct ferry, which does only take around 25 minutes from either island. If you intend to visit Comino from Malta itself, you may be best to opt for a tour though. The main reason being that the direct ferry leaves from the very top of the island, and it's likely that you won't be staying super near here. The problem being that the traffic on Malta is a bit crazy and it takes a while to get anywhere. Also, the buses are notoriously late and slow. So to save you time and for the sake of a few extra euros saved, you may be best to take a tour boat which leaves from near your accommodation. Also, if you're short on time for your overall trip and wish to cover a little of Gozo as well as Comino all in the same day, you can even opt for a tour which does just that. Now there are many options available on the website Get Your Guide, and I'll leave some links in the description below to some of the top rated Comino tours so you can check them out. So head there if you're interested in doing a tour. On the other hand, for the direct ferry, you can easily do this from Gozo. This is what I did. So I stayed in Victoria on Gozo, which is just a 20-minute bus ride from the ferry terminal, and also the buses are way more reliable here. Now, taking the direct ferry, I literally just bought my ticket on arrival and hopped right on. And the good thing about the direct ferry is that you can maximize your time on Comino and not be tied to a strict schedule.
Just had breakfast, so it is time to actually make a move soon. And I'm gonna have a little walk around the island. So obviously I'll go to the Blue Lagoon, but I'm actually more excited for the little hiking trail around the island. So we're going for the sports clothes look today. Because I don't think so many people actually do the walk, and there gotta be some good views, right? Let's go to Comino.
Next up though is to go to the supermarket and get some food for lunch because I don't want to be starving on the island, and it's just easier if I have food there, especially if I'm going to walk around it. So let's go buy a little packed lunch. Alright, went to the little bakeries in Green Supermarket. Got a little bacon and brie baguette, so I'm sure that'll go down just fine in a little while. Let's go. Okay, I just timed that perfectly for the bus, not on purpose at all. So that was good.
The Blue Lagoon area is of course super busy, so I'm gonna go for a walk around the island and then hopefully it'll be a little less mad when I come back, and some people will have left by then. This might be my happy place of the Malta, Gozo, Comino trio. Why can't I just stay on this island? This one's insane. Ooh, lots of little lizards. Now to Santa Maria Bay, so I could have kept following the road or I found this little path, so of course took the little path, and let's go see what it's like. The little walking path I took to get off the road, it's not really a road though, is it? Yeah, I just had to come all the way back on it and come back onto the road. But it's okay, at least if we're on the road we know we're on some kind of right path, right? Spot of the day gets 10 out of 10 from me because look at it, and so does the baguette. Also the food here was like €9 for a baguette here, so yeah, bring your own. I really like Santa Maria Bay. That was just such a nice little spot to sit at. Like I was only going to sit and have lunch, but had to sit there for an hour. It's another baby little bit here. Anyway, there's meant to be some caves somewhere around here, so I don't know, go for a little 3-minute walk and see if we find anything. Yeah, but that was a lovely little spot. Like even if that's the only other place you go to on this island, do it. It's just not so crazy busy as the initial Blue Lagoon, of but still very, very beautiful. And the water is like amazing. I wasn't planning to stay so long, so I just kept my shorts on. Then I forgot I had my shorts on because they're really comfy, and I kind of went in too far, so now I just got wet shorts. Whoops, should have just got changed and gone right in. But anyway, all good. I really do want to go right in the water, but I also need to keep walking. Should have come earlier. Silly. The ferry is in like an hour. That's not good. That's not long enough. Better get moving. I want to cross another cute little spot. I really like the ferry I did hope I was going to leave time to actually chill for a bit at the Blue Lagoon at the end of the day, but it might be like 10-minute chill. But that's okay, because I have a little walk around the island, and I am very glad I did walk around, because you don't just want to see one part. It's not just about the Blue Lagoon. You're here on Comino to see the island. Stuck in here. I need to okay, Google Map it. Back to Blue Lagoon without realising I was pretty much back already. It's literally just down here. So life is good. I'm gonna have time for a little baby chill down there, and then take the boat back to Gozo.